This is my enhancement video number 9. Is my uploads view, and I could add each image inside this view. I add these two for test. I also add this for test, and I could create the image table, and each image is inside here, and also inside the image folder, inside the uploads folder. And in the description, I will open this one, Rocket. In the view products detail, I have each thumbnail that I could add. We will check we will check the size of these thumbnails. It's not more than 200 pixels each one of them. I will delete one image to show it's working well, but successfully deleted. Okay, we will refresh here, and now the image was deleted. So all is working fine in the page. Also, I could fix that space that I had before between the navigation bar and the body of the page.